I tell you one thing, I am very grateful that I have made mistakes, because it is the mistake that I have made that has brought me where I am now. Yeah. I have not seen any person in this life finding the solution for their own life without making mistakes. Yeah. So there are different approaches to mistakes. Yeah. One wrong one is that people afraid of making mistakes. They want to be perfectionists because they don't want that other people know they are making mistakes. Yeah. It's a very subtle ego trip. Yeah. No, I have to do things perfect. You see, when you try to do things perfect, you become more imperfect. Yeah. So we need to leave this, because it creates tensions, and it creates a false identification, because you think that the mistakes that you are making are going to make you less in front of others. There are other people that they just carry away. They keep making mistakes, but they are not aware of their mistakes. They just keep carrying on with ambition, with so many things, breaking rules, but they don't give to themselves time to reflect about that, because their ambition and their continuous intention of getting something at any cost doesn't allow them to reflect. The other aspect, which is the good one, the positive one, is there are people that, as human, we all make mistakes, but there are people who have a proper approach to their mistakes. I don't think that the person who makes mistakes becomes guilty. Is not going to gain anything from that. If I make a mistake, and then I start reflecting about how I made this mistake without any complex, simply to see the way how I should continue in order to not make mistakes anymore. That is all, You can make mistake 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Please, if this happens, don't get discouraged. Because just keep seeing, and keep yourself humble, seeing that the mistakes are positive things if we reflect about them. We are human beings, and if we make mistakes, also we have the capacity to see why we make our mistakes. No complexes. Simply erase a new approach. That is all.